Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaica in 5. Today we're driving on Constant Spring Road in Kingston and St. Andrew. Now, Constant Spring Road runs from Halfway Tree to Manor Park. It takes you also from Halfway Tree to Dunrobin, which eventually leads into Washington Boulevard and then Mandela Highway. So Halfway Tree is the busiest area in Kingston, or St. Andrew, as it's the capital of St. Andrew. And so, if you want to get from the busiest place in Jamaica to the most populated areas in Jamaica, which are Portmore and Spanish Town, this is the road that you take when leaving from Halfway Tree. So it's a very busy road. It was recently upgraded. As you can see, it's now a dual carriageway. Very nicely done. They have concrete barricades in the road to help with the flow of traffic so people don't make illegal turns. And it's one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. Also one of the busiest roads in Kingston. It also has more malls on it than any other road in Jamaica. So in Jamaica, I always refer to malls as plazas and shopping centers, but there are more plazas or malls on Constant Spring Road than any other road in Jamaica. So that will give you an idea of just how busy it is. Alright, so we're driving from Halfway Tree to Manor Park, or the foot of Stony Hill. So enjoy the video and remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good day.